In this video, I'm going to show you how we can export HTTP objects using Wireshark. So first of all, I'm going to open my Wireshark. And then I am going to select my adapter and using a capture filter of HTTP. So I am going to a HTTP based site, which is testfire.net. So I am going to browse this website so my packets get captured by Wireshark. So here you can save the images which we can download through Wireshark and all the source code of this website. This website is actually used in ethical hacking when we study ethical hacking for testing purposes by EC Council. So let's check if the Wireshark has been able to capture some packets. So this is the IP address of our target website, which you can verify from here, ping testfire.net. And we have to use a display filter here, IP dot address. So all the packets belong to this IP address will get filtered. And now I will show you the JPG file we have browsed. So here we can go to export objects and click on HTTP. So all the files we have browsed, saved with Wireshark, and also the source code of this file, like you can see canonical HTML file, canonical HTML, deposit.htm, checking.htm, car.htm. You can click on save all. And if I want to create one folder here, if I want to save it here in TFTP, select folder. And now browse to this folder TFTP. So you can see here all the files we have browsed. You can see the home icon. See all the icons which we have browsed, and also the source code. And also you have also got the source code of this. You can browse with Notepad. So all the source code you have gotten through the Wireshark. You don't have to go to the other methods. Just by using Wireshark, you can get all the source code of this website. Thanks for watching.